Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got another good coffee recipe for you. It's coming up on the holiday season. So today we're going to be making a peppermint bark iced coffee recipe. Again, these recipes could be used hot or cold, but I just try to show you guys recipes that could be a good one to try, especially during the holiday season. So we have the peppermint bark coffee pod, and we have the peppermint bark 0-calorie syrup, and then we also have the peppermint mocha 0 sugar creamer. So just try to promote some of the healthy things with too much sugar in people's diet. Some people like it strong. You don't have to use the 0 sugar, but I just try to choose healthier options for people. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and insert the pod into the Keurig and get it brewing. Okay, so next what you want to do is select the desired amount. You can use a tumbler or you can use a coffee mug, but I'm going to use a tumbler so that way once it's done I can have it chilled and ready for when I'm ready to drink it. So we're going to go ahead and brew it on 10 ounces, and we're going to brew it strong. Okay, so now we're brewing it, and as you can see, if you get this peppermint bark, it doesn't have to be this brand, but you can definitely start smelling the peppermint and the coffee as you brew it. Very loud, very tasteful. So while we're doing that, you want to definitely give your peppermint bark, like so, a good shake, and then start to pour it in. So we poured in our peppermint bark 0-calorie syrup. So now that the hot coffee is hot and it's mixing in together, let it sit, let the Keurig finish dripping out. Coffee is hot, so please be careful. So next, what we want to do now that it's done brewing, we want to go ahead and mix in the peppermint bark creamer. So make sure you get that a good shake up, and then go ahead and start pouring it in just enough to where it fills up. See how the cup is like 75%, 80% full, just enough to where it fills up almost to the top, and then you can mix it in. Okay, so we got our coffee creamer in there filled up just slightly before the top. So this is the point to where you can decide if you have a tumbler, you can put the cap on and insert the straw, or if you want to add whipped cream and throw a cinnamon stick in there, you can do that as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and, like I said, get this ready, leave it out, let it cool off to room temperature. Then I'm going to stick it in the refrigerator so I can have some iced coffee later. If you want, you can put the ice in it right away, but I like to chill mine first so that way the ice won't melt and dilute the coffee taste. So I'm going to go ahead and throw this tumbler on here real quick and show you guys the finished product. And we are done. So this is how the iced coffee should look. Again, you can taste it and decide if you want to add more creamer, or if you want to use non-zero sugar, you can, or even add more peppermint bark syrup, but it's very strong, so you shouldn't have to do all that. So guys, I want to definitely thank you for watching. I'll put some links in the description about this brand of coffee. Again, you can use any peppermint bark, but this one is one I never seen before, so I decided to go ahead and show you guys, of course, recipes that I try. It's not for everybody, but you know, just try to share. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next coffee video.